Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 11. I wanted to show you how it looks like outdoors because where I am doing the tutorial, it's too tiny and it doesn't fit the screen. So I said to myself, let me just back out and show you the curtain. I'm going to put it on the grass and show it to you. So exciting. It's huge. So I am right in the middle right now. So I'm going to show you the curtain that I am crocheting, and I will continue where we're left. Can you see the markers? I'm right in the middle of the curtain. Really hard to fit, but I will put it on the grass and I will show it to you. It's been a lot of crocheting involved, but it's just really fun to crochet it. So just wanted to show you. Yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it and you will make this curtain or anything. It's just a design that I'm creating with you guys. And I hope you enjoy the tutorials. I know it's part 11 and we're on the half, so that's the main thing, right? And the rest will go fast, I'm sure of it. So I'm just following the sample, and I'm doing lots of double crochets and going from there. So I wanted you to see how I'm crocheting. And I'm at my backyard right now, just sitting on the stairs here. Due to mosquitoes, we don't sit. I have a huge patio here, but yeah, due to mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are, they bite you like crazy, and I hate putting sprays on me. And I was just looking at my this is over 20 years old, and poor thing, it hasn't been grown. I think we planted this when we bought a townhouse, and then we moved it here. And then what happened was, my husband every year he cuts the branches, so unfortunately it doesn't grow. I told him not to cut, so he didn't cut anything last year, so we'll see what's going to happen. I see it is blossoming, so hopefully. And today is June the 5th, 2023. Okay, so I am going to, I'm just checking where I am as I crochet. I don't want to make any mistake. So I catched up. I'm almost where I left you on part 10, the end of part 10. So I'm going to continue doing the rest of the rows and show you. Yeah, so we're on the half, so that's very exciting. So I'm doing double crochets like I said at the beginning of the tutorial. You don't have to do double crochet. You can do half double crochet, triple double crochet. It depends on your preference. So yeah, follow whichever you like. But I'm showing you how many do double crochets, how many, when to chain, and so on to create this lovely design. And it's just gorgeous. Like I said, I'm using a light 4 heavy 3 weight yarn thread. It's cotton, and the crochet hook I'm using is a 3mm crochet hook to crochet this. It's pretty hot. I didn't put any hat on. It's after 5. I thought the sun would be down, but it's still out there. It's almost 6, maybe after 6. Don't look at the time, but it's late. Maybe it's 7. I didn't look. It's actually 5:32. Yeah, 5:32 p.m. Mountain Time here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Okay, so I'm just gonna crochet, and then what we'll do is I will put this on the grass and show you how it looks like so far. But it's becoming pretty nice. I really like it. So 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet. That's how you make the boxes, the fillets, and then you fill whichever part we need to fill. Time flies by. Here's a beautiful flower rose. You can see the leaves and the roses. 1, 2, 3. 3 fillets. I'm using the thread, the yarn that I had in my stash, which I bought these 2 years ago. So that was the purpose, to buy these so I can make curtains out of them. And I'm just checking. And what I do is I skip 2 double crochets. On the 3rd, I make a double crochet when I am filling, or when I'm going to the next box, and it should equal the bottom. And the more you crochet, the more you build up. It should be equal for the top, so you shouldn't have any problems that way. And when you fill a box, it's 4 double crochets total. Just a reminder. Just wanted to make this video at the beginning, how you can, where you can crochet outdoors, you can crochet anywhere you want. In public, it's for these items, it's a little bit tough, but other than that, you can crochet this in the house where you're comfortable, and just place your sample, or you're doing with me, you can just watch the tutorial, and I'm sure it will go nice and smooth. I don't know if you're hearing the birds. They're singing because we have water everywhere on the side of the house in containers. So the birds are having fun there. Singing all the time. Okay, I will meet you